Idaho Voyager is growing and improving. Exciting news on some new wrinkles to the channel coming right up. We launched Idaho Voyager a little over a year ago, and we are ready to kick it up a notch. To give you a better perspective on our travels and trip planning, we are excited to announce the introduction of drone footage as well as Google Earth Movie. These enhancements will improve our ability to showcase our travels as well as better highlight how we're getting from A to B. Here's a sneak peek of what you can expect with drone footage from our recent trip to Eastern Oregon, as well as a Google Earth tour of an upcoming trip to Zion National Park. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe and nudge that notification bell so you don't miss a beat.